Hey guys, it's Timo from Demon's Tech, and today we're checking another Baseus with two retractable cables charger. This one is a 60 watt and it is for your car. Let's begin and see how it is. So this is the charger itself, and honestly it's not too big, it's not too small, but it will go to your car and we'll see it in action later. But yeah, it can rotate, not 360 degrees, but it can rotate to some point. Oh wow, I already see something that I really like. So it's written here VR2 Max, and we have two magnetic cables here. They are sort of lying down here. And if I retract one, we can see that it's quite long, not too much, but it's quite long. And if I retract the other one, I can tell you that they are not the same length. That's quite weird. Oh, they are the same length. I didn't retract fully all of them. So I think they are the same like the last charger, which was 80 centimeters. Let me try to double check it. And again, sorry, but it is a bit of not easy task. Yeah, it is 80 centimeters again. Not easy to actually check this while also filming. And let's retract them back. Oh, it even swivels. Oh wow, that's really nice. I really think I love it in my car. And we have an additional USB-A and an additional USB-C, which is awesome. Honestly, I really love to see that. Now, I know that the specs are here and I can try to show you them, but honestly, I'm pretty sure that they have it somewhere written on their booklet, and it will be a bit of less challenge to actually show it through there. Yeah, exactly. Let me try to show you guys this. And yeah, you can see the specs. It seems like you will be able to charge a lot of things here with no issue from your car. Probably it will depend on your car as well, if it can output enough. But as you can see, they can output pretty nifty things here in terms of how much wattage you can use. I think it will charge fast enough for any drive that you make. That's the idea, that you'll have an option to charge in your car quickly enough, but not something that will kill your car or something. And yeah, one for me, one for the person who sits next to me, usually my wife. And if someone else comes, he can always charge through USB-A if he has something, or USB-C. And honestly, as long as it goes up to 60 watts, I can even charge a laptop. I'm not going to do that, but it is something possible. I'm not going into depth of it. I'll show you a little footage on how it looks inside the car. That's it. But yeah, this is the charger, and if you like it, links will be in the description of this video. Feel free to grab one like this. I honestly had so far another one which didn't have retractable cables and was obviously smaller. I think something up to this point or something, and it has just two USB-C and one USB-A, if I recall correctly. And honestly, it works well, but I think I love it more because this one already have two retractable cables and you can swivel it around, and it will be very comfortable in my pretty small car. Thank you for watching this Demon's Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.